I guess it was part of the reason I chose the name. I had in mind a table full of people eating, and it was a very familial notion that was centered around food. And I thought, I have that beautiful table. It's hard to really imagine, for me, to walk in and not see this table there, because it was always front and center, you know. We always had a display on it. It was always where the featured products were. A lot of stuff happened with this table. It's sort of the perfect table. They have so much flavor. I just loved entertaining. You know, I get excited when I see beautiful produce and I think about how it could taste and, you know, how one flavor goes with another flavor, and it's a joy for me. It's a real joy. It was just something I knew. I knew about cooking, I knew about equipment, and I knew that you couldn't get it. You know, there was no one selling Le Creuset or anything. There was no pastry bags, there were no pastry tips, there were no wooden spoons, there were no knives. It just kind of hit me. That'll be it, I'll open a business. Well, the morning I opened, the local paper wrote this wonderful sort of tribute to this thing that I had done, you know, and saying, anyone who loves food has to go here. Well, I don't think everybody read the fine print on that, because I had a whole bunch of people arriving for lunch. They thought Sur La Table was a restaurant. That was okay, we all had a big laugh. The floors were worn out within 3 months, I think, because people were so excited to see this, because it was unusual. But it was so thrilling. You know, it was thrilling. It's my baby. And it's great. It really is a great place. And I'm very proud of it. So, that's how we started.